Hi everyone. In this section, we will talk about distribution of microbes in nature. After watching this video, you should be able to tell, firstly, the characteristics of distribution of microbes in soil, water, and air. And secondly, microbes involved in industrial production and those within a certain environment. Firstly, let's take a look at a concept: microbial ecology. It is the study of microbes in the environment and their interactions with each other. Microbes are the tiniest creatures on Earth, yet, despite their small size, they have a huge impact on Earth and on our environment. Most types of microbes remain unknown. It is estimated that we know fewer than 1% of the microbial species on Earth. Yet, microbes surround Earth everywhere: air, water, and soil. Therefore, microbial ecology is an important branch of ecology that deserves further study. On the next, we will talk about, firstly, microbes in soil, secondly, microbes in water, thirdly, microbes in air, and fourthly, microbes in industrial and agricultural products, and fifthly, microbes in extreme environment, and sixthly, microbes inside and outside the organism, respectively. Firstly, the microbes in soil. An average gram of soil contains 1 billion microbes, representing probably several thousand species. The common microbes in soil are bacteria, actinomyces, mold, yeast, algae, protozoa, etc. Secondly, the microbes in water. Due to the properties differ between different water types, such as freshwater and seawater, the corresponding microbial community are usually different. There are some requirements for drinking water, such as the bacteria total community number should be less than 100 per 1 milliliter. The coliform community number should be less than 3 per 1,000 milliliter. Thirdly, the microbes in air. The microbes in air mainly exist in aerosol. Aerosol refers to a solid system in which solid or liquid particles are suspended in a gas, especially a suspension of a drug or other substance to be dispensed in a cloud or mist. Some pathogens which lead to respiratory disease can be spread through aerosol, particularly in hospitals. Fourthly, microbes in industrial and agricultural products. Microbes classified within this category refer to those which can lead to deterioration of material and food, and those present in agricultural products. Sterilization, preservative, seal, and cooling are useful measures to control deterioration. Mycotoxin is a kind of naturally occurring metabolite produced by certain microfungi that is toxic to humans and other animals. One notorious mycotoxin is aflatoxin, a kind of toxin that can lead to liver cancer. It is widely existed in peanut, corn, and rice. Fifthly, microbes in extreme environment. The summer fields. Summer fields are a group of heat-loving microbes thriving at high temperatures, usually more than 45 centigrade. They are inhabitants of various ecological niches like deep sea, hydrothermal vents, terrestrial hot springs. Among summer fields, a famous one is Thermus aquaticus, from which the tech enzyme was firstly isolated. The other microbes that can exist in extreme environment include cyclophils, acidophils, alkaliphils, halophils, barophils, and radio-resistant microorganisms. Sixthly, microbes inside and outside the organism. For example, the microbes live inside and outside human are called normal microflora. Finally, let's take a look at the keywords in this section. Okay, that's all for this section.